Hi friends, this is Tilak from Tilak Media Tech, and today we are going to learn how to create a parallel effect which will be going to be trend on your Instagram. This effect is similar to the runaway aurora which was so trending on Instagram and every social media platform. So this is similar effect to that, but it will be have a more effect than that. So you can have an output like this. So today we are going to learn how to create this type of Instagram reel filter effect, so which can be viral or trending on your Instagram. So this channel is basically about the YouTube tips and Instagram tips. If you find this topic interested, you are interested in this topic, and if you are new to this channel, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and bell button below. So we can just move on to the video. Just open your Instagram and then click on the plus symbol on the top and click on the reels icon. So now you can find an effect on your right side. You can just swipe down, swipe right side and click on the search option. So click on the top search option. Here just type as Silhouette X, SILUET and X. So there will be a lot of filter effect, but we want to give a perfect filter. So I choose a second, third and fourth. These three filters are amazing, but I just making a video on the fourth filter which was so perfect to me. So you can just try it the three filters. Just click on the try it option. So there will be a super fantastic effect. The filter make my face so brighter. You can shoot your Instagram reel with brighter. There is no need of editing, so just click on it. So it start recording. At a certain point there will be like a runaway aurora, but in a fast manner. So it's so good. If you are shooting this thing in outer surrounding, there will be a more accurate filter effect can be applied on your face, and here you have something new, and it's also more attractive and impressive, so you can get more likes and follows in your Instagram because this is new. This can be getting on viral in a few days, so you can just post your first video on this reel effect. I guess this reel will gain more follows or likes to your Instagram. So if you are new to this channel, follow my Instagram account because I haven't posted many reels, VFX reels which get more likes and more follows. So I haven't made every reels tutorial in this channel. If you want to know any such effect, just comment below. So if you want to learn more about YouTube and Instagram, don't forget to click on the subscribe button below. So if you find this video valuable, share with your friends and meet you on next video with a valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tilak Media Tech.